Diwali, also known as Dipawali, is the grand Hindu festival symbolizing the victory of light over darkness and good over evil. It's celebrated with grandeur across India and by Indian communities worldwide. However, in 2024, there is some confusion about the exact date of Diwali, whether it falls on 31st October or 1st November. This article provides clarity on the correct date, auspicious timings, the significance of the festival, and tips for performing rituals in different cities. Diwali 2024 date, 31st October or 1st November. The main day of Diwali, also known as Lakshmi Puja, is celebrated on the new moon, Amavasya, of the Hindu month of Kartik. In 2024, Diwali will be celebrated on Thursday, 31st October. However, certain regional and religious practices may lead to slight variations in celebration dates. Here's a breakdown of the details to avoid confusion. Diwali Lakshmi Puja date, 31st October 2024. Regional variance: in some places, celebrations might continue into 1st November with extended rituals and festivities, especially in regions where Diwali is celebrated over multiple days. Significance of Diwali. Diwali holds great cultural, religious, and historical significance. It is celebrated for various reasons across different parts of India. Return of Lord Rama. Diwali marks the day Lord Rama returned to Ayodhya after a 14-year exile and defeating the demon king Ravana. His return was celebrated with the lighting of all lamps, symbolizing the victory of good over evil. Worship of Goddess Lakshmi. Diwali is dedicated to Goddess Lakshmi, the goddess of wealth and prosperity. On Diwali night, people perform Lakshmi Puja, praying for prosperity and good fortune for the coming year. New beginnings. Diwali is also celebrated as the start of a new financial year in some communities, especially among business owners who perform accounting rituals to invoke blessings for a prosperous year ahead. Jain, Sikh, and Buddhist celebrations. Diwali has significance in other religions as well, marking events such as Lord Mahavira's Nirvana for Jains and the release of Guru Har Gobind Ji for Sikhs. Auspicious timings for Diwali 2024. Shubh Muhurat. The Shubh Muhurat, or auspicious time for performing Diwali Puja, is crucial as it amplifies the blessings and prosperity associated with the rituals. The most favorable period for the Lakshmi Puja is generally during Pradosh Kal, which occurs after sunset. Lakshmi Puja Muhurt on 31st October 2024. Pradosh Kal, evening time 5:30 p.m. to 7:50 p.m. Lakshmi Puja Muhurt, 6:15 p.m. to 8:15 p.m. Since Diwali Puja should ideally be performed during Pradosh Kal, which falls on Amavasya night, it's best to observe the Lakshmi Puja during this time frame for maximum blessings. City-wise Diwali Puja timings for major cities. The exact timing for Diwali Puja can vary slightly depending on your location. Here are the recommended Pradosh Kal timings for a few major cities in India on 31st October 2024. New Delhi, 5:40 p.m. to 8 p.m. Mumbai, 6:10 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. Kolkata, 5 p.m. to 7:20 p.m. Chennai, 5:45 p.m. to 8:05 p.m. Bengaluru, 5:55 p.m. to 8:15 p.m. Hyderabad, 5:50 p.m. to 8:10 p.m. Ahmedabad, 6:05 p.m. to 8:25 p.m. Jaipur, 5:50 p.m. to 8:10 p.m. These timings are approximate, and it's advisable to consult a local panchang, Hindu calendar, or an astrologer for exact city-specific timings. How to perform Lakshmi Puja on Diwali? Performing the Lakshmi Puja correctly is essential for invoking the goddess's blessings. Here's a step-by-step guide for a traditional Diwali Puja. Clean the house. Diwali is as much about cleanliness as it is about light. Thoroughly clean your home, especially your puja room and entrance, to welcome Goddess Lakshmi. Create rangoli, beautiful patterns made with colored powders, flowers, or rice flour at the entrance and around the puja area attract positivity and invite prosperity. Decorate with diyas, light diyas, or lamps, around the house to remove darkness and attract divine energy. Set up the puja altar, place idols or images of Goddess Lakshmi, Lord Ganesha, and Kuber on a clean altar with offerings of flowers, sweets, and corns. Start the puja rituals. Begin by worshipping Lord Ganesha, the remover of obstacles. Follow with aarti and prayers dedicated to Goddess Lakshmi, invoking her blessings for wealth, health, and happiness. Recite Lakshmi mantras and offer sweets, fruits, and corns. End the puja by performing an aarti, singing devotional songs, and ringing bells. Yamdeepdan, light a diya and place it outside your main entrance, facing south, to honor Yam, the god of death, as a symbolic gesture for the health and longevity of your loved ones. Tips for a prosperous Diwali. Invest in gold or silver. Diwali is considered highly auspicious for buying gold or silver items as a symbol of inviting wealth. Avoid borrowing money. Avoid taking loans or lending money on Diwali, as it's believed to impact prosperity negatively. Gift thoughtfully. Give meaningful gifts like sweets, candles, or gold-plated items to family and friends as a gesture of goodwill and positivity. Spread light and positivity. Light diyas around your home and community to spread the spirit of Diwali. The more illuminated your surroundings, the greater the positivity it invites. Significance of diyas and lighting on Diwali. The tradition of lighting diyas on Diwali night represents the triumph of light over darkness and good over evil. Diyas are more than decorative, they symbolize wisdom, enlightenment, and the removal of ignorance. In some families, the tradition includes lighting 13 diyas to ward off misfortune, especially for homes and businesses. The day after Diwali, Govardhan Puja and Bhai Dooj. After Diwali, the celebrations continue with Govardhan Puja and Bhai Dooj. Govardhan Puja, 1st November 2024. This day commemorates Lord Krishna's lifting of Mount Govardhan to protect his devotees from heavy rains. People prepare a grand feast and offer food to Lord Krishna in gratitude. Bhai Dooj, 2nd November 2024. The festival concludes with Bhai Dooj, a day for brothers and sisters to celebrate their bond, similar to Raksha Bandhan. Sisters perform aarti for their brothers and pray for their long life and success, while brothers give gifts in return. Conclusion: celebrating Diwali with the right date and spirit. Diwali is more than a festival, it's an embodiment of faith, love, and positivity that brings people together. In 2024, the correct date for Lakshmi Puja is 31st October, with extended celebrations across 1st November for Govardhan Puja and Bhai Dooj. By following the Shubh Muhurat, performing traditional rituals, and lighting up your home, you can invite Goddess Lakshmi's blessings for health, wealth, and happiness. May this Diwali bring joy, prosperity, and enlightenment to your life.